In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Canva. Let's get started right inside the editor. First, open a template that fits your project. Any template will do. What matters is that you can see your canvas and the toolbar at the top, since that's where the color controls live. Next, add some text to work with. Open the text panel and click on Add a Heading. A text box will appear on your canvas. Type in any word or phrase so you have something visible to style. If the text feels too small or not in the right spot, resize or reposition the text by dragging the corner handles to scale and dragging the box itself to move it. This makes it easier to preview your color choices clearly. With your text selected, look above the canvas and click the text color button in the top toolbar. This opens the color picker. If you want a straightforward look, you can select solid colors here. Try a few options and keep an eye on contrast with your background so your text stays readable. If you want something more dynamic, choose gradient colors instead. Canva provides several gradient types, including horizontal, vertical, and diagonal blends that can add depth and polish. To explore everything available, click on See All. This expands the gallery so you can select more options in See All and preview how each gradient behaves on your text. When you're done browsing, go back to text colors to fine-tune. In the color panel, click on Document Colors to adjust the setting of gradient. This lets you refine what's already on your design rather than starting over. From here, select a style or pattern of gradient color that suits your layout and the direction you want the color to flow. You can also change the colors of it by clicking directly on the gradient's color stops. Each stop represents one of the colors in the blend. Adjust the balance and transition by clicking and dragging the color slide to shift where each color starts and ends. If you want a richer blend, you can add multiple colors if you want to, creating more stops along the gradient bar. And if things get too busy, or you want to simplify, delete color by selecting them and clicking Delete Color to remove the extra stop. Before wrapping up, take a quick look at your canvas at full size. Make sure the color choice supports your message, stays legible, and feels consistent with your overall design. That's all you need to change text color in Canva, with both solid and gradient options, plus a few simple adjustments to make it look just right.